After the first week was washed away without any business conducted, no breakthrough expected this week as well in Parliament, if the optics on ground are any indication. Moments ago, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi held a tractor protest against the farm laws. Take a look at these images captured on India Today's cameras. He drove a tractor till the gate of Parliament. A banner was also tied, as you can see, to the front of the tractor with slogans written against the Modi government and demanding the immediate withdrawal of the three controversial farm laws. Rahul's closest media aide, Randeep Singh Surjewala, along with other Congress leaders, were also present with the Congress MP during this tractor demonstration. Speaking to reporters, Rahul Gandhi took on the government, demanding the withdrawal of the farm laws and saying that the government is suppressing farmers, and also accused the government of crony capitalism. He also attacked the government, saying that the government is only working to benefit industrialists and has turned a blind eye to farmer issues. Farmers, remember, have been sitting at the Delhi borders for months now demanding withdrawal of farm laws. Many have lost their lives. Some of them have been protesting at Delhi's Jantar Mantar as well.
हम जो किसानों का मैसेज है उसको हम पार्लियामेंट तक लाए हैं। पार्लियामेंट में इसके बारे में चर्चा नहीं करने देते हैं। किसानों को दबा रहे हैं, हिंदुस्तान के सब किसानों को दबा रहे हैं, इसलिए हम यहाँ ट्रैक्टर पे आए हैं। काले कानून हैं, इनको वापस लेना पड़ेगा।
राहुल जी, आप खुद ट्रैक्टर यहाँ पर चला के आए हैं। पहली बार ऐसा हुआ कि कोई नेता ट्रैक्टर चला के संसद भवन तक पहुँचा हो किसानों को लेकर, लेकिन सरकार।
मैं किसानों का मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ, ये किसानों का मैसेज है, इसीलिए मैं इसको यहाँ लाया हूँ।
Across to India Today's Anand Patel live with me from right outside Parliament. Anand, a high voltage arrival there by Rahul Gandhi after the first week washed out. Agenda set, it appears, for the second week. It's going to be about the farm laws.
Well, yes, Shiv, the agenda for the Congress party and opposition parties has been set out for this week. Last week, entire week got washed out, the first week of the monsoon session, over the Pegasus Snoop-Ghat issue. But this time, Congress MPs, number of Congress MPs from Punjab and Haryana particularly, Pratap Singh Bajwa, Dipinder Hooda, Ravneet Bittu, all these leaders, MPs have given adjournment motion notices in both Rajya Sabha as well as Lok Sabha over the farm laws issue. The MPs want discussion over farm laws and repeal of all the three farm laws that were passed by the Parliament last year. Remember, this comes in at a time when the farmer union representatives are holding a parallel parliament shape at the Jantar Mantar, not very far away from the Parliament building. And most of their farmers are sitting on the borders of the Delhi for almost 8 months now. And the government is still not very clear as to when will the talks resume. We've heard statements from the Union Agriculture Minister that the government has an open mind. But so far, no offer of talks for the resumption of dialogue between the farmers and the government. And that is the deadlock the farmers are staring at. Month after month have passed. Farmers have pitched their tent on the borders. But so far, no word from the government over when will the talks resume. And that is the reason why Rahul Gandhi taking out this tractor march. Remember, earlier on also when the laws were passed last year, Rahul had taken out a tractor yatra in Punjab to send out a message of solidarity with the cause of the farmers. Here again, he has tried to do the same, Shiv.
Okay, stay with me, Anand. Randeep Singh Surjewala, who you can see in some of those images, along with Youth Congress Chief B.V. Srinivas, have been detained outside Parliament and told to stop this tractor ride. So this situation has kind of escalated there after Rahul Gandhi arrived on his tractor. Now two prominent Congress faces, Randeep Singh Surjewala and B.V. Srinivas, the chief of the Indian Youth Congress, who shot to fame and popularity owing to his help during the second wave of COVID-19, have both apparently been detained outside Parliament. Anand, what more can you tell us about that? It's a tense situation, it appears, outside Parliament.
Yes, Shiv, both these leaders were trying to, take the tractor from the Parliament gate towards the Vijay Chowk area. And that is where the altercation with the cops on duty started. The cops tried to stop the tractor from, going towards the Vijay Chowk area, saying that this entire area is a high security area and they're not permitted to do so. and the altercation has resulted into detention of both these leaders. Remember, Randeep Singh Surjewala was coordinating this entire tractor march from Rahul's residence to the parliament, and B.V. Srinivas was accompanying him. So both these leaders, when they tried to take the tractor away from the parliament gate number 3, they were detained by the police, by the cops, and they were not allowed to take the tractor away from this area. Now they are being taken, I'm told, to Tughlaq Road police station so that this entire matter can be sorted out.
Okay, Anand, I'll keep coming back to you. We're going to cut into the Rajya Sabha, where tensions have resulted in the Rajya Sabha erupting in turbulence and being adjourned once again. So the Congress party and parts of the opposition have decided that Parliament will not function on the back of a couple of agenda issues. Today it is over the farm protests and the farm laws. Last week it was a complete washout over Snoopgate. This week it is over the farm laws. Rahul Gandhi on Monday morning setting a very visible agenda for what lies ahead in the monsoon session of Parliament for the week. Randeep Singh Surjewala and B.V. Srinivas are among a handful of leaders who've been detained apparently right outside Parliament after this big photo op, this big demonstration by Rahul Gandhi arriving there symbolically on a track.